Hello. Hey guys, it's Sipsby. How are we today? Excuse this. You know, sometimes we just wake up like this. I have no makeup on except mascara and my hair is all natural today. So I just had some spontaneous thoughts being made, and I was like, you know what, today's the day I'm gonna try the Moroccanoil color depositing mask in aquamarine. So I filmed a video like this a couple months ago and I did the platinum one, and I've had this blue one, and I was like, what will it do to my hair? And I've been needing to get my hair done by my hairstylist anyway. It's been a few months. So here's the game plan. We're gonna put this stuff in and hopefully it looks good, and if it doesn't, I'm just gonna have to keep washing my hair until it looks good. But I plan on meeting a couple friends like after this, so in any case I will have some type of glow up going on. So it's like a glow up slash review of the aquamarine color depositing hair mask. So that's a lot of words. If you're interested in watching, keep on watching. So a little bit about this product. It is supposed to moisturize and condition your hair as well as deposit some type of color. And I actually tried this earlier today because I was genuinely really nervous. This is what it looks like. You see this bluish color, like it looks a little bit more gray to me, more of a gray blue. And so I was like, maybe we shall try it. But here's the catch. I go to work in corporate America and I'm a little nervous to see what this does to my hair. And so we're just gonna wing it, okay? So, I mean, I guess all we gotta do is just put it on my hair. They typically say to section off your hair, but when do I ever do that? I also have a towel on the ground, just in case. Oh gosh, look how blue this is. I look like a mess. This is gonna be a mess. I'm so nervous. Oh my gosh, what am I doing? Definitely recommend doing this in the shower. It's a lot easier, but for some reason I decided to film all my hair adventures, so here we are. Also, I'm in an old sweatshirt, so it's okay if it gets blue, but I prefer it not to get very blue, you know. I'm going to comb it out with my Bold Unique brush. I love this brush when it comes to putting any type of color in my hair. It's very helpful. Super ratchet, but I have a water bottle back here, so I'm going to put a little bit of water in my hair so that way maybe it will help get this stuff evenly in my hair, since I feel like I need more of it. Oh my gosh, this ratchet. Hello. Okay, I think I'm just gonna let this sit in for like 4 minutes. It says 4 to 7 minutes. I really don't want it to be bright blue. I'm kind of worried of it being bright blue. So 4 minutes. See you soon. Okay, hold on. I think I just had that moment of, what the hell did you just do to your hair? I don't know. It's a lot more blue than I thought it would look. Oh God, why do I do this to myself? A little bit of a life update. So it's not as blue as it originally was. What I did was go in the shower. The fan's still on, sorry about that. Got in the shower, put all my conditioner and shampoo, and then purple shampoo at the end of it for like 10 minutes, and it's still blue. So I can confirm this stuff works. I don't really know what my hair is going to look like. It doesn't look as like drastic as it does, and also this side looks bluer than this one. Oops, my bad. It's been an eventful day so far. But yeah, I'm just going to come back to you when it's all done and curled and cute looking, because I think I can make it work. I just think I'm gonna have blue hair for a day or two. Just gonna keep washing it anytime I can. Okay. And here we are. I think I fixed it. I also put my makeup on. Yeah, this is it drying, and now it looks like a bluey gray color. I think it looks a little bit more blue in person than what the camera's giving it, but I definitely freaked the freak out for a good hour because it was way too blue. I kind of wanted it to be like a subtle blue, and now it just looks super grayish blue, and I'm not mad at it. Let me grab my mirror. It definitely looks more blue in person, but I can definitely get away with it, and once I curl it, it's gonna look really good. I just think with the whole makeup, it kind of pulled it all together, and with it drying more, it's not like as stringy. It's just a mess. So I also have laundry here. Hello. This video has been all over the place, and I apologize for it. Just thriving. Thriving. Wow, here we are. Here's the final look. This looks so much better than straight up blue hair. It looks very silver in the camera right now. I don't know how it's gonna look when I'm like editing, but for me in person, you can definitely see like the blue pieces of it too. This is so much better, like this color right here, than what it was in the middle. You guys kind of saw me panic a little bit, and it was only because I didn't want to show up to work with bright blue hair. Also, I didn't think it looked that great on me personally, and so I was trying to get into like this like muted blue color, and if I look back, I would probably add conditioner or like purple shampoo or something to that mixture to get it to the color I wanted it to be. In camera, it looks a little silver. In person, it's more blue. I can definitely wear this to work. It's not going to be a big issue. I feel like someone's going to be like, did you do something different to your hair? And I'd be like, yes, I did. It's been a whole adventure. I just hope you guys liked my involvement today in my hair. I started out in this video looking like a mess, and I acted like a mess, and here we are. Well, good morning, everyone. How are we today? Okay, so this is a couple days later. I wanted to check in and talk about my hair real quickly because I feel like when I was doing my hair, it was a mess. I haven't even edited yet, so I don't know how the clips are gonna come together, but I kind of panicked at one point, and I was like, oh my gosh, my hair is so blue, and I did everything in my power to try to get the blue out of my hair, and then this is what was left, and I was really nervous, but actually it's been a lot more tame than I initially thought it was. So hopefully the lighting's doing it justice. It has blue tints to it, like this one looks blue, but it also made my hair look super ashy and gray, and I'm kind of loving it. I kind of just been through a process of like, oh my god, my hair is super blue, to like, oh my god, I like how my hair looks, and it's been kind of fun, and I definitely think I can wear this to work. I'm kind of now curious to try other colors, like the rose gold one. I think there's like a auburn one, like for like reddish hair, which like I've never ever had like reddish hair. And because they're conditioning and because I know they're not permanent, I'm kind of like, I wonder what that'd feel like. I just had a lot of fun with this season of my hair, just like finding these new toners and products that I don't think would damage my hair. Hopefully if I go to like the hair salon, they're not like, oh my god, like what did you do? Fingers crossed. But this has been really fun and entertaining for myself. So if you want more videos like this, let me know in the comments down below what color to try next, and give me your opinion. Does it look blue? Does it look silver? Did I panic for no reason? If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. Yeah, hit the subscribe button, hit that bell icon notification, and you will get notified every time I post, which is around weekly. Okay, this has been fun. Sorry I kind of panicked throughout the whole video. Okay, bye. Hey, and I'm also here real quickly to provide some really good quality content. I talk about this company like all the time, and I always show you unboxing. So real quickly, I want to show you guys my Sipsby unboxing. So I got two. So it's really cool. I got a February box, and then they also have these limited edition boxes that you can go in and pick yourself. And this one is called Made for Love. So Valentine's Day is coming up. I got this one for Valentine's Day. I'm going to bring them to work and to my gals. We're having a Galentine's. So let's go through the Sipsby Made by Love one. Ready to open them, but I haven't tried it yet because I wanted to film this first. I'm out of breath. Sorry I'm talking fast. I'm literally actually about to go to a high tea thing for my friend's birthday. So obviously I like tea a lot. But let me show you the ones I got. So this one is called Tulsi something another. I'm going to show you the name because I can't pronounce it. I am Indian, and I know Tulsi means like rose. And so this is, does it? No, it doesn't. Does that mean? Oh gosh. Tulsi also actually might be, and it helps you open your heart to receive love. Yes, girl, please. And then I have these two. This is the cacao tea. So I'm really, really excited to try this because this is a hint of chocolate, and like I think that's so unique and different. So the cacao tea. We have the Love Potion tea. You best believe I'm drinking this one on Valentine's Day. And this one is actually black tea, rose, caraway, fennel, supports mood enhancement. Oh, that's so nice. Okay, it's supposed to make you like feel happier. So really, really excited to try this one. And then the last one I have in here is in this really cute satchel. Again, it's another chocolate one. It's chocolate Earl Grey. I'm so excited. Okay, sorry about that. Dramatic. I'm so excited to try these. I'm actually going to bring these to work this week so that way everyone can try the Valentine's ones together. It's the month of February. Let's do the February month one. Okay, so this one is they're so cute because at the top it says made for Lippy. That's me. You guys don't know what Sipsby is. It is a tea subscription service. I guess I should have started out with that. It's a tea subscription service, and they actually handpick teas for you, so it's custom based on your preference of caffeine and flavors. and you can get one each month, and they're only $15. I will leave a code so you get a discount down below. Check it out, give it to your friends as gifts. It's literally such a great gift and so fun to receive each month. They give you these tea bags, and you're actually able to put loose tea in this, and then that way you don't have to worry about it. They already give you everything you need to make tea. Because I'm really excited to try. I think I'm gonna try this one tonight, but it's a chamomile lemon tea, and this is basically supposed to help you sleep. So if you have trouble sleeping, that's really cool. My friend actually has been using a tea to help her sleep, so I am curious to see if I like this one. Oh, I am such a sucker for chai tea. Like, I drink iced chai teas on the daily, and I've been doing this thing where I've been making tea and then icing it lately, and I love it. I'm obsessed with it. And so this is just original chai, so just a normal chai tea, always looking for a good one. I haven't found one that I'm amazed with, so I'm curious to see how this one is. Vanilla cream spice tea. So I'm kind of curious to see what this one tastes like, but it's supposed to be like creamy, and it's supposed to have cinnamon in it, so curious. And it says it's a dessert alternative, so that means it must be pretty sweet. You know, when I think of vanilla cream, for some reason I'm thinking of an orange sickle, but there's no orange in here, so curious to try this one out. And then the last one we have is a recover tea. So this is to make you feel renewed and help support immunity. So a lot of people are getting sick. I literally actually had a tea from one of my last boxes, and I gave it to my friend because she was feeling sick. So these are really fun, and it's a really great excuse to get people at my desk at work because they're always here to like try out new ones. This is just such a fun little thing. If you're like me, I drink tea every single morning. It's a great little box to try out, and I highly recommend it, or I would not keep filming. But yeah, I think that's my ride, so I gotta go. This video has finally come to end, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye!